What's up, beautiful people? We went to Mystic Mountain Rainforest Bobsled, Jamaica. Today we tried the Anansi web, the Zipline, the SkyExplorer, wall climbing, bobsled. We went to the restaurant and bar. We did the Ragamuffin and also the water slide and infinity pool. There's a nice little river running at the front of the property. First up was the SkyExplorer, which we had to take to get to the top of the mountain. Children are able to travel on the SkyExplorer as well. It's funny that the adults are more afraid of this ride than the children. The chairs are constantly moving, so you have to ensure that you're standing in place and ready to sit as soon as the chair gets to you. The SkyExplorer Chairlift takes a 15-minute ride to the top of Mystic Mountain above the treetops. It literally sweeps you off your feet as you glide your way up to the top of Mystic Mountain. There is a breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea, the coastline, Ocho Rios town, and the jungle when you are up in the air. Once we got to the top of the mountain, we were so excited about all the activities in store. We were ready to play the day away with all the rides, attraction, pool, dining, and entertainment. First up was the Ragamuffin, and can I tell you how fun this was? This ride features hanging chairs with your leg dangling above the ground as you slowly glide up to the top of the mountain. When you reach the top, you'll be flying down the mountain on the overhead tracks, swinging left to right over the hanging cliffs with a beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea. There is also a small cave called Ragga's Cave. It is found within the limestone cliffs beneath the Ragamuffin ride. Nice. The next activity on the agenda was bobsled. This signature bobsled ride is so thrilling. It plunges you down the mountain, twisting and turning through the limestone forest. It's so much fun. After that, we did some wall climbing. When climbing the wall, you have to use your feet to push yourself up instead of pressuring your hands to pull yourself. At this point, I thought I was stuck, but a little motivation and instruction from the guide made me push on.
You can. Jump. Yeah.
That jump was the hardest part. It felt so suicidal. Next up was the Anansi web. It's basically a jungle gym obstacle course or maze, and it has 3 levels. So it's up in the air and you can basically just swing, scramble, and climb your way up to the top. You're always strapped with a harness which is connected to the top of the maze, so if it's a case where you slip or slide, you should be safe. The ground level is for the children, while the 2 upper levels are for the adults. Go! Next up was ziplining, which is usually the longest tour.
Handlebars are what you hold on to. Never let go of your handlebar and attempt to grab the cables while in motion. You guys have nice fingers. Alright?
Mystic Mountain was so much fun that we had to go twice. So you might be seeing 2 different outfits in the video. That's because I have clippings from both trips.
Hey, Daddy, hey, wait, no, wait, oh my God.
The canopy zipline course zooms you down the mountain through the Jamaican rainforest. So much fun.
Go, Michael, go! Oh, yeah, hold on.
Hey.
We are here, sir. Big up yourself.
After a full day packed with fun activities, we had to cool ourselves down with a nice swim at the infinity pool. Had to check out the water slide as well. That was a lot of fun. At the end of a fun-filled day, we went to look at the birds, took some pictures, and went to the bar and grill to have something to eat and drink while overlooking the beautiful Caribbean Sea. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in the next one. Bye!